Open the computer. Open Drive. Open the Users folder. Click on your username. Click on View. Move your mouse to Show and click on Hidden Items. Open the AppData folder. Open Local. Find the CD Projekt Red folder and open it. Open Cyberpunk folder. Select UserSettings. Right-click it. Move your mouse to Open With. Choose Application and choose Notepad. Click on Once. Now right-click anywhere in the file. Click on Select All and press the Delete button. Click on File and click on Save and close the file. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.